Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is conversion of public company into private company. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject company law and also discuss various provisions related to it like amendments of company law, various authorities related to company law, classification of companies, and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the conversion of public company into a private company. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided into description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is conversion of public company into private company. The Companies Act does not describe the procedure of converting a public company into a private company. But according to Section 31 of the Companies Act, a public company may be converted into private company by adopting the following procedure. So there are basically three procedures by which the public company can be converted into private company, which are discussed as follows. So first one is the changing the articles of association. Second method is getting permission of the central government, and the last is sending a copy of changed the articles of association to the registrar. So by these three processes we can convert the public company into the private company. Now we are discuss here each of the methods one by one in detail. So first one is the changing the articles of association. Although the Company Act does not provide for changing the public company into a private company, there is no provision in the Act that debars a public company from being converted into private company. If a public company, by special resolution, alters its articles in a manner that conforms to the requirements of a private company and becomes binding on the company as per the provisions of Section 313, the public company may be converted into a private company, which is defined under Section 312. So, a public company by special resolutions alter its articles of association and concerns the requirement of private company and becomes binding of the company as per provisions of Section 313. The second method is getting permission of central government. According to the provisions of Companies Amendment Act 1960, the articles of association of public company can be changed so that it becomes a private company, but in such a case, the change becomes effective only when the central government accepts the change articles and gives its permission for the company to become private. This condition is defined under Section 31(1). So, by the permission of the central government, any company can be changed to the from public company to the private company. The third method of conversion is sending a copy of changes articles of association to the registrar. When the changed articles of association have been approved by the central government, a printed copy of articles altered shall be filed by the company with the registrar within 1 month of date of receipt of order of approval. This is defined under Section 31(12)(a). So it is compulsory to send the changed article of association to the registrars of the companies. So when the public company fulfills the above condition, it is converted into a private company. Immediately on such conversion, it becomes mandatory for the company to affix the word private to its name and reduce the number of its members and directors of the required limit. So this is all about the conversion of public company into the private company. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So generally, a company does not describe the procedure of converting a public company into private company, but give various methods or procedures to adopting to conversion the public company into private company. The conversion of public company and private company can be done in following procedure. First one is changing the articles of association. Second is getting permission of central government, and the last is sending a copy of changed article of association to the registrar. Company in the changing of article, Company Act does not provide changing the public company into private company, and there is no provision given related to conversion. But by special resolution, articles of association can be changed, which is defined in Section 31(2). After changing the article, we have to give the company has to take the permission from the central government for changing the from public company into private company, and at the last the changed articles of association is sent to the registrar of the companies for final approval. So this is the process of conversion of public company into private company. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management and companies law, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We met in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.